Hey guys, Haz here, NZWindows. Today we're going to cover a short instructional series on how to make adjustments to your joinery to keep it operating at 100%. Bear in mind, this series is 100% information, so please only undertake these adjustments if you feel you are completely comfortable. We won't be held liable for anything that you do to your joinery. Today we're going to cover how to adjust a hinge door. For this you're going to need a number 2 square drive screwdriver. So the first step in adjusting a hinge door strike is first of all assessing, do you need to adjust your strike? So typically either the door won't latch or it's really loose like this. So let me show you how to adjust that strike. So here we have a residential French door strike. Hinge doors like your laundry or entry doors work in very much the same way. All we do is adjust the top 2 screws, and the plastic piece inside of those 2 screws slides back and forth to get the right setting. So we'll move this one back about to there and then check it with the door itself. So now when we close this door, it compresses the seals nicely and there's no slop when it's closed. If you adjust your strike too far back, the door just simply won't latch, like this. All you've got to do is loosen off those screws and find that happy medium. So one of the features of our residential doors is that often we'll utilise a 4-point locking system. What this does is shoots LCL rods up into the head and sill of the door, and is used like this, just like that. What this does is increase the security and a better air seal on the door itself. So in order to adjust the LCL stripes in the top and the bottom of the door, first of all we need to take this cap off. So just with a flathead screwdriver, just get under the cap and just pop it off, just like that. So now we've got 2 strikes on this one. This is a French door, so we just want to adjust this one back and forth so that those LCL strikes pull the door in nice and tight on its seals. So in order to adjust these strikes, all we need to do is loosen off these number 2 square drives on either side of the strike and move this plate back and forward to the desired location. With a French door, it's worth knowing that sometimes there's a linking tab left in between these strikes. That's just to make sure that they're in the right place. Thanks for watching on how to adjust your hinge doors at home. Please do check out our other instructional videos on how to maintain your joinery and keep things operating at 100%. My name's Haz and this has been an NZWindows instructional series.